If you're someone who loves healthy, flavorful meals and the versatility of your cookware, this Concord 30cm and stainless steel 3-tier steamer pot will undoubtedly become a staple in your kitchen. This premium quality steamer pot promises to elevate your cooking game, making it easier than ever to create a variety of dishes, from perfectly steamed rice to delicious vegetables, succulent fish, and even homemade dumplings. Why choose the Concord 30cm stainless steel 3-tier steamer pot? When it comes to cooking methods that preserve flavor and nutrients, steaming is one of the best techniques available. The Concord 3-tier steamer pot stands out in the market for its solid construction, multiple functionality, and ability to handle large quantities of food with ease. Here's why this steamer should be your go-to choice. Number 1. Durable, polished stainless steel construction. The entire steamer pot is made from fully polished stainless steel, ensuring durability, long-lasting performance, and a sleek, modern look. The high-quality material not only makes it easy to clean, but also ensures that your food is cooked safely without any harmful substances leaching into your meals. Number 2. Versatility with interchangeable steamer trays baskets. One of the standout features of this steamer is its inclusion of 2 interchangeable steamer trays, each designed for different foods. The first tray has smaller holes, perfect for delicate foods like rice, momos, or dumplings. The second tray has larger holes, ideal for steaming buns, vegetables, and fish. With these versatile trays, you can effortlessly prepare a variety of dishes without needing separate cookware. Number 3. Triply bottom for even heat distribution. The heavy triply bottom ensures excellent heat retention and even distribution throughout the cooking process. No more unevenly cooked meals, everything gets steamed to perfection, saving you time and frustration in the kitchen. Number 4. 3 configurations for ultimate flexibility. Not only does the Concord steamer pot offer 3 tiers, but it can also be used in 3 different configurations. 3-tier setup for maximum capacity, perfect for large families or gatherings. 2-tier setup for smaller meals when you don't need as much space. Single-tier setup for when you're simply steaming a small portion of food or using it as a regular stock pot. This flexibility makes it a versatile piece of cookware that adjusts to your cooking needs. Number 5. Cool touch handles for safe use. The Stay Cool handles ensure safety when handling the steamer, even when it's hot. You'll appreciate not having to worry about burnt fingers or uncomfortable grips while cooking. Whether you're lifting or moving the pot, you can do so confidently with ease. 6. Large capacity for family meals. Measuring 12.5 inches in width and 9.75 inches in height, this steamer is large enough to serve 3 to 4 people comfortably. Whether you're steaming a full meal of vegetables, fish, or dim sum, this pot can handle the quantity without any issues. Pros and cons of the Concord 30cm stainless steel 3-tier steamer pot. Pros. Multiple configuration options provide versatility for various meal sizes. Heavy-duty triply bottom guarantees even heat distribution and durability. Interchangeable trays offer flexibility for different food types. Large capacity suitable for families or gatherings. Stay Cool handles enhance safety while cooking. Easy to clean and maintain with high-quality stainless steel construction. Cons. May be too large for those cooking for only 1 or 2 people on a regular basis. Its size and weight may take up more storage space than smaller steamers. How the Concord 30cm steamer pot can enhance your cooking experience. Here are just a few ways this 3-tier stainless steel steamer will make your life in the kitchen easier and more enjoyable. Healthy, nutrient-rich cooking. Steaming preserves the vitamins and minerals in your food better than other cooking methods. You'll be able to cook nutritious meals that retain their original flavors. Quick and easy cooking. With multiple tiers, you can steam several foods simultaneously, which saves time. You can steam fish, vegetables, and rice at the same time, making meal prep easier. Perfect for meal prep. If you're someone who likes to meal prep for the week ahead, this steamer is perfect for cooking large batches of food. Prepare multiple meals in one go. Aesthetic design. The polished stainless steel finish ensures the steamer looks great in any kitchen and complements your other cookware seamlessly. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.